It's true, home dialysis is the best option for treating kidney failure. That's why at Fresenius Kidney Care, we've developed an award-winning training experience to prepare patients to successfully dialyze at home. In fact, 94% of patients reported feeling confident after graduating. Training begins with an experienced home therapy nurse personalizing the curriculum to your patient's needs. The nurse will facilitate the training and hands-on instruction with a provided tablet preloaded with the curriculum and supporting home resources. Our education experience is innovative and thorough. Built off best practices for adult learning, we provide step-by-step education modules to walk patients through every aspect of home dialysis, and use interactive learning tools like e-learning courses, videos, and games to inform and engage your patients. The personalized training program is always available to your patients, even after training, and includes a comprehensive library of easy-to-understand resources right at their fingertips. 24/7 access to care team support and their home therapy education via Patient Hub is a plus for patients at every skill level. With our comprehensive approach to home therapy training, more people than ever can enjoy the freedom and benefits that come with dialyzing at home, whether it's CAPD, APD, or home HD. Innovative training, better outcomes. Talk to your patients about the benefits of home therapy today.